In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage on Delta Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a process that you can do through the Delta Airlines website at www.delta.com or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, you are going to be able to find the option to add baggage when you check into your flight. So all you have to do is go to the website or the mobile app and select Check-in. In order to check in, you need to find your trip using one of these four info: your credit card number, ticket number, SkyMiles number, or the confirmation number. Choose whichever one of these options you prefer, include the required document, and then from which airport you are originating from. When you include all this info, you will be able to go to the check-in page, and in there you will have the option to manage and add more baggage. After you are done, as soon as you check in, all baggage will be updated and checked in and paid on your flight. If you are having trouble doing this online, you can just go to the airport and do it there before booking and boarding. Alternatively, you can also hover over the Need Help section and go to the Baggage Help if you are still having trouble managing baggage that you want to take on your flight. In here, they will offer you info and help about what you can do and how much it costs per baggage that you want to add. I hope I was able to help you on how to add baggage in Delta Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.